Welcome back to Diecast Speedway, the channel where we bring scale collectibles to life. I would like to start off by saying thank you to my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. Now let's continue with the show. Today we're taking a look at a true American muscle legend with a custom modern twist. This is the 1967 Shelby GT-500 from Jada's Big Time Muscle series. Now right away, you already know Big Time Muscle brings that aggressive stance, oversized wheels, and custom styling, and this Shelby is no exception. This isn't just a classic Mustang, this is a resto-mod beast that blends vintage muscle with modern attitude. The first thing that stands out is that metallic gray finish with those bold black racing stripes running down the center. It's clean, it's subtle, but still aggressive. Then you notice the stance, sitting low and wide, especially with those massive deep dish wheels tucked under the fenders. This thing looks planted and ready to hit the street even just sitting on the turntable. Taking a closer look around the body, Jada really captured that classic 1967 fastback design. Up front, you've got that iconic Mustang grille, complete with the GT-500 badging, along with detailed headlights and that aggressive front bumper. The blacked-out grille paired with the gray paint gives it that modern muscle look. Those dual racing stripes running from the hood to the trunk really tie everything together and give it that true Shelby identity. Moving along the sides, you'll notice the GT-500 side badging, clean body lines, and those custom side vents that add to the performance look. And then the wheels. This is where Big Time Muscle really shines. You've got that staggered setup, smaller up front, and those fat, deep rear wheels in the back, giving it that drag-ready stance. Now let's pop the hood. And this is where things really come to life. Underneath, you've got a fully chromed out engine setup that just shines under the light. You can see the intake, engine block details, and all that chrome giving it that high-performance show car finish. It's clean, it's detailed, and it fits perfectly with the custom style of this build. Looking inside, you've got a clean black interior setup that keeps things simple but effective. You can see the bucket seats, detailed dashboard, and that chrome-accented steering wheel that really pops when the light hits it. It's not overdone. It keeps that classic muscle car feel while still matching the aggressive exterior. Moving to the back, around the rear end, you've got that classic fastback slope, giving the GT500 its unmistakable silhouette. The rear deck and spoiler area add a subtle performance touch, and everything flows nicely with those racing stripes continuing across the body. Even without a flashy trunk setup, the rear stance and design still steal the show, especially with those wide rear tires. As it spins, that metallic gray paint catches the light, and those black stripes cut right through it, giving it that aggressive contrast. The stance, the wheels, the chrome engine, and the classic body lines, everything just works together perfectly on this build. Overall, this 1967 Shelby GT-500 from Jada's Big Time Muscle line is the perfect mix of classic American muscle and modern custom styling. It's bold, it's aggressive, and it definitely stands out on the shelf. If you're into Mustangs, Shelby builds, or just clean custom die-cast pieces, this is one you're going to want in your collection. So that's all we have for today, folks. But stay tuned for next time. We'll be showing you this 1972 Plymouth GTX from Jada's Big Time Muscle series. You won't want to miss it. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, go on and cruise to our other cool videos right here on Diecast Speedway, where we do all the unboxing so that you don't have to. Whether it's classic muscle, modern rides, or something in between, we've got you covered. So until next time, keep die casting, and God bless.